Some other news now. That was our special campaign on Bengaluru, but now news of 20 peacocks being found dead in Karnataka. The carcasses were found in the Tumakuru district and the dead birds were seen scattered across the fields. Remember, the peacock is our national animal, and remember earlier a few weeks ago 5 tigers died of poisoning in Karnataka, and now news of 20 peacocks, their carcasses being found in Tumakuru district, where they were found just lying in the fields, discovered on these farmlands beside a stream. Well, let's go across to Deepak for more on this story. And Deepak, give us more details. What do we know about these 20 peacocks being found dead? Also, the forest department is conducting a probe.
Yes, the forest officials, of course, were taken aback. So were the residents. This is in Madhugiri Taluk of Tumkur district in Karnataka, where 20 peacocks were found dead. They were all lying in the farmland there. It's not very clear what exactly has happened. 3 male and 17 females, birds found dead. Now, these are, of course, national birds, and this comes just weeks after 5 tigers were found dead. That was a tigress and 4 of her cubs. This was in Chamarajnagara. At that point in time as well, there was a high-level inquiry that was conducted by the forest department. Eventually, they did realize it was a case of poisoning that had killed the tigers there. Now, here again, the carcasses of these birds have been sent to the FSL labs to ascertain what has happened, whether it's a case of them being poisoned or is it some other reason, because it's quite unusual to have, such majestic large birds, found dead. That too in such a large number. 20 birds in total being found dead has raised a lot of suspicion as to what has happened. The forest teams even now at the spot collecting samples of any food substances that was left behind, water, and of course the FSL teams will look into what was consumed by these birds as well.
All right. Thanks so much, Deepak, for joining us with all those details. The forest department there probing the matter after over 20 peacocks were found dead.